7 AI businesses you can start this weekend using just one platform, Runway, which is by far the most easy to use video tool for beginners. At the same time, it can turn you from somebody with no experience in video making into an advanced creative studio. What are the 7 businesses we're gonna start together, the 7 services? How to create them out of a single prompt or a photo, how to find the clients, and that's why at the end of the video, I have created with Claude a fully researched table that is completely legit and gives you the guidance of what to do, who to target, how to sell it, and how much to charge. So if you're ready to know more, keep watching. So this is Runway. It's actually like the ChatGPT of video creation. It gives you the opportunity to create so many different formats of video, and I'll show you at the end of the video what you can do. But the first thing we're gonna do is create an ad, an actual ad that we're gonna sell to people for a real item, like this one. So what I'm gonna do is take a photo of it and go to Runway and ask for an ad campaign. You see that I recall the right guidance, and I want to create an ad to promote this brand new product that keeps the water super cool, no matter the circumstances, right? I will hit create, and Runway will start interacting with me, because that's exactly the key. It's not just prompting and getting a video back, it's about giving the guidance. Like we have a creative team, for every step of the procedure, we provide guidance for the storyboard, for the text, for the sound, for the music, everything. So as you see here, I will select the aspect ratio, like if I want it to be for Instagram, TikTok format, or vertical one, if I want a headline, a tagline, a CTA, etc. Or you can click on surprise me and you can see what Runway will come up with, and then you can correct it, adjust it, edit it, right? And let's see what we get. So as you see, I uploaded a photo that I took with my phone, and here are the first 3 concepts that Runway gave to me before it advances to the stage of creating the actual video, right? Concept 1, Death Valley heat wave. Concept 2, in front of an actual volcano to highlight how hot it is, right? And concept 3, which is another version in extreme circumstances. So I will say I love concept 2. Let's turn this into a video and let's see what we have. And here's the preview of the video. Check how cinematic and professional it looks, right? In front of the volcano. You can check it out here with sound as well. It looks super cool, right? Look how realistic is the movement, the person holding the bottle, the effects behind. And if you click right here, add it to cut, you can see the whole timeline where you can actually trim it and edit it exactly like you would do with any other video editor. So all you gotta do is find any product for a company you would like to promote and sell your services. Take a photo, create different concepts, and send it to them. Even before you create a video, you can export the mood board you create with Runway and then prepare the actual video for a fee. And stick until the end of the video to show you how much you can charge. The second idea is finding a restaurant that you love. And you're gonna see right here. I was in New York last month and I visited one of the most historic restaurants, the Cat's Deli, with some insane sandwiches. So I took some photos and then went to Runway, and I was like, okay, why not turn this into a service? So you visit a restaurant that you like and now you turn it into a promo video. You can sell it to them, right? So I will upload it right here. Select again the ad campaign feature. So I want to select 4 different photos from outside, from inside, from the actual sandwich, right? And I want an ad campaign for Cat's Deli in New York City, which is open since 1888. You can provide some info. Runway will also make an extra search about the restaurant, and now it's thinking about how it will bring to life this ad copy. Let's see what we get. And again, like before, you start chatting with Runway about the format, the style, the concept, the atmosphere, if you want music or not, if you want voiceover or not, what is the key messaging you would like to focus on. So I will go with 1 sandwich, 1 city, 1 legend. I like this motto. Before you get the actual mood board, which is very, very important because, as we said, is what you share with your client. So this is the mood board. You see different concepts that you got from Runway as suggestions, right? Because it asks you what is the concept that you would like to move on with. You can obviously ask for more or a different one or to adjust a specific one. What I did is that I like all 3 of them and I am asking Runway to use all of them to come up with a video. So we go from outside, inside, and we focus from seeing the interior to the actual sandwich, right? At this stage, this is the mood board you can share with your client before they pay you, right? So they can see what you can do and tell them, you know what, this is the concept. Would like to see an actual video for your restaurant so you can promote it, run an ad, whatever. So let's see what is the actual video that we're gonna get out of this mood board.
In a city that never stops, one place has never needed to change. Since 1888, Katz's has fed the hungry, the hopeful, and the legendary. One sandwich.
And here it is. The video is ready. We go inside the store. You see the interior with the people eating. This is really close to reality. If you have been there, you know what I mean. So we see the interior, we saw the exterior, and now we're moving towards the actual sandwich, right? This is a 15-second clip that you can use for social media, for running an ad, whatever, right? You can obviously extend it by adding more clips, add even the preparation of the sandwich if you add more content, if you ask for more content. But this is a great sample for your client to see what you can do, right? And like before, we can add it in the timeline here. Add frames, remove frames, add subtitles, lower the music, increase the voiceover, whatever you want. So how cool is this? Now, another super cool feature that you can sell to other companies is scanning through the social media of any brand, right? Like, for example, I got this photo with a guy with a suitcase that you see right here, and I'm asking from Runway to make video ads for different social media formats based on this photo. And seconds later, literally seconds later, I have different formats in photo and video. You see scene number one. This is video number one. You see the guy walking towards us based on the photo that we had. Then we turn this video into a landscape video that people can use on YouTube for running ads, right? And we created also shop now call to action videos like this one with a more close-in zoom to the suitcase, and again in a different format so you can use it for vertical mode and landscape mode for every social media, TikTok, Instagram, YouTube. This is another feature you can sell in the same way to businesses. And as I said before, stay until the end because I'll show you the table, the Claude table based on research that will give you the guidance on where to sell it, how to sell it, and how much to sell it for. So stick until the end. Let's move on. And you can literally turn any feature of the platform into an actual service like marketing campaigns, mini movies, social media content, UGC content that you can sell for companies to create their own influencers, and all that out of a single product photo like you see right here, that you can create this similar product video with just a product photo, or create a full week or a full month of social media content for a specific brand, and you can charge them by month. So for example, if I click right here where it says create a week of social media content featuring my product in the style of brand imagery, I will get back, literally seconds later, all these beautiful images that you see right here. Precision preserved. Where the precision? You see also the schedule, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, what to post, what is the concept, what is the creative concept. You can literally sell that to your clients before you create the actual creations, right? Give them the schedule, this is how they look like, and we will turn them into multiple videos, different concepts, and every single day you're gonna have content for every social media. You can literally charge a lot for this service. Most brands will never do that. Don't tell me this is a tool, everybody can access it. Yes, everybody can access it, but guess what? 99% of people will not, like with everything. So we have all these concepts right here, and you can select which ones to turn into videos. I gave the guidance, and here it is, precision preserved, right? The watch inside the ice cube. Where the precision with a close out of a watch in a beautiful city scene. And you can keep doing that as many times as you want, right? All you gotta do is get credits to the platform and keep creating content for the clients that you have. Actually, the clients will pay for the platform and you will charge your profit on top. Beautiful, right? Let's keep moving. And why not sell our services also to real estate agents? Most of them cannot even take a beautiful photo, right? So what we can do is either take some photos ourselves, so you can sell also the service of you taking photos, or you can get listings online, like this one, this beautiful villa in Italy. You cannot post the direct listing like I did right here, but you can take some photos, upload them on Runway like I did right here, share some details about the villa, and you can ask for a full ad listing video that people can add in their listing on their social media, and you can charge a couple of $100 for that or even more. This is the preview. This is exactly like the guys had the drone, and you can create also this cinematic view of the listing. This is just one frame, right? You can do the same for every single room, going from the other angle and creating a beautiful cinematic video that the real estate agents can use to elevate their chances for selling this house. You gotta be creative. Use what you have, learn how to use the platform, and start selling those services hard. And now, as I promised, the best part, the Claude table that I created based on actual research of how much these services are being sold online, how you can sell them, what is the best audience you can use, and how to talk to them, how to reach them, right? So you see right here that we have the AI UGC agency, the influencer style videos for SaaS products, brands, sold as a monthly service. I showed you before how to do this. You can charge $500 to $1,500 per month as a retainer, and you can DM founders on X, LinkedIn with one free sample UGC video that you're going to create with Runway, and you can create services for 4 to 6 videos monthly, right? This is how much you're going to charge for 4 to 6 videos monthly. If you feel more confident, you can charge more. If you don't feel that confident, charge less. This is the target audience, is SaaS platform and DTC founders who really need content to promote their platform, right? This is how much potentially you can make in 6 months if you're good in sales, and you can actually sell that rate, which is completely logic. You can create an AI ad creative agency like we showed with a restaurant or with the watches. This is how much you can charge for every single client. You can find brands actively running paid ads in the Meta TikTok ad library, where you get the transparency. What are the brands that are using ads right now? And you can create more creatives for them, because brands running ads constantly need more creatives all the time, right? Every single creative has a specific lifespan, and after that, you need new creatives. So do that for them and charge $300, $800, or even more per month. You see right here how to reach out to them, what is the target audience, and moving on, you have all the different guidelines. You will find the table in the description. So use it, see how you can do it, select one of them or do all the services, the Etsy product mockups, the restaurant advertising videos, check the details, create a plan, create some samples, and start selling. That's how you start a business, by knowing a tool, understanding where to sell, how to sell, and actually doing it. That's how you separate yourself from others. So give it a go. Let me know in the comments which idea you're going after. Check Runway from the description. Familiarize yourself with the tool. Like the video because it helps so much for more tutorials like this. And until next time, simply hustle.